Hi students, the power to change your life is already within you. You don't compare yourself with others. If you are comparing yourself with others, you are insulting yourself. And it's a sin. And it's a sin to God also. So don't compare yourself. You are unique. You are the unique creation of the Almighty. And the Almighty has given everything for you. And without seeing and without utilizing them for your own success, don't compare yourself to others. Instead, compare yourself with yourself only. So that every moment you can change yourself. And change is a constant, change is a must. You have to change yourself from yesterday to today, and definitely you can succeed if you do so. In this chapter, there are 4 types of questions that can come. So, what is the formula for interest? P into n plus 1 by 2 into r by 12 into 1 by 100. That means find the interest on the recurring deposit. Then next is MV. MV means find the maturity value. Maturity value, or maturity value is the total amount deposited and the interest. Okay, that is the maturity value at the end of the agreed time or maturity time. Now the next question, what type of question? Find P. They will give I, they will give R, and others find P. Or sometimes after finding I, we can find P. Okay. Then find R if others are given. Then find N, find the number of months. These are the 4 types of possible questions that can come from this chapter. This chapter is very, very simple. So, one is find the interest on the recurring deposit, and second is find the maturity value, then find P, the principal, and next rate, and the last is time. Find the time period or number of months. These are the 4 types of questions that can come from this chapter. We will do another question. In this question, find the rate of interest. The first one, we found maturity value, and we know how to find maturity value. Now, in this question, Mr. Amit deposits rupees 350 per month in a bank for 1 year, 3 months under recurring deposit scheme. Find R, rate of interest, if maturity value is 5565. 5565. Maturity value is given and principal is given, time is given. Find the rate of interest, very simple. So, read question and write what is given in the question already. Right? Can you write? Yes, write it. Very simple. P equal to rupees 350. Correct? P equal to rupees 350. Very simple question. Now time n equal to 1 year and 3 months total. 12 plus 15 months. 15 months. Right? 15 months. And what is MV? MV equal to 5565 rupees. Correct? 556 rupees. Now here also we have to find out interest. Right? I equal to P into, yes, tell me the N in, yes, N plus 1 into by 2. And what is N into N plus 1 by 2? Sum of N terms of a an AP, first 10 terms, sum of first 10 terms. Then R by 12 into 1 by 100. This is interest. Now substitute. Here R we do not know. Correct? Then I equal to, yes, tell me, I equal to MV is given minus NP. NP is the total amount deposited. Correct? So, MV minus NP is also I, and I is equal to this one. So, we can equate these two. That is, P into N plus 1 into by 2 into R by 12 into 1 by 100 is equal to MV is how much? 5565, right? M minus how many months? 15 months into 350. That is the total amount deposited. Correct. Out of this, we know N, we know P, and easily we can find out R. Correct or not? Now, this is 15 into 35 into 15, 25, 5 into 3, 15 plus 2, 17, 5, 3, that is 5, 12, 5, 25. That is 5565 minus 5250. Correct? Then substitute here. P is how much? 350. 350 into N 15 into 16 into R we do not know, that is the one we have to find out. 2 into 12 into 100 is equal to, subtract this one, 565 minus 5565, 5250. This is 513. Correct? 315 is equal to 315. 315. Cancel wherever possible. Now, yes, 2 and 16, you can cancel. 8, then 1010 is cancelled. This is 7 with 5, and sorry, 2. Then this 8 and 12 we can cancel. This is 2, this is 3, correct? Then again this 2 is cancelled. Now we get, yes, we get 7 into 15 into R by 3. 15 also you can cancel 5. So 7 into 5 into R equal to 315. Correct? Again cancel by 5. How much? 315. 315. Yes, 63. Correct? 63. And 63 and 7 you can cancel. Correct? 63 and 7. You are getting 9. That is, rate of interest is what? 9% per annum. You have to write clearly. 9% per annum. Right? Very simple question. So, what I repeat, MV minus NP is again interest. They are equal. Equate, substitute, simplify from there itself, and you get 9% rate of it. This is the second part or second type of question is coming from this chapter. Okay? Let us do one more question to find the monthly installment. A man has a recurring deposit account in a bank for 3.5 years. If the rate of interest is 12% per annum and the man gets rupees 10,206 on maturity, find the value of monthly installment. Find the value of monthly installment. Now, how we can do? We have to find out P. So, what is given? Let principal equal to P, right? Principal is equal to P. And
are equal to 12% per annum, and for 3.5 years. So, the rate of interest is 12% per annum, and the man gets, yes, MV 10,206, right, and N equal to 36 plus 6, 42 months, 3.5 years, 42 months. Now, let P principal is equal to P, R equal to 12% per annum, MV equal to 10,026, and N equal to 42 months. Let us do, how we can do it? We have to find out P. Yes. First, we have to find out interest. P into N into N plus 1 into R by 12 by 2 into 1 by 100. Correct? Now, P we do not know. P will remain P. So, P into N. N is 42 into 43 into R 12% into by 2 into 12 into 100. This is cancelled, and this is also 21 and 2 cancelled. So, we will get P into 21 into 43 by 100. Now, we know MV equal to NP plus I, right? NP plus I. MV we know, how much is that? 10,206 equal to NP. NP is NP is 42P plus 21P into 43 by 100. Correct? Now, take LCM. Here LCM 10206 into 100, right? Here 1 equal to 100 into 42P plus 21 into 43P, right? Now, what is common? P is common from these two, and 4,200P, yes, 4,200P plus 21 into 43. 21 into 43, 3, 8, and 4, 6, then 4, 2, 3, 303. 303P. So, this will be 4,500 3P, correct? Then what will be P? P equal to 10206 into 100 by 4503, right? 4503P equal to 10206 into 100. So, P we can find out 10206 into 100 by 4503, that is, this is cancelled 2. So, 2 equal to 200. That means the principal or the amount he deposit monthly equal to rupees 200, or rupees 200 per month he is depositing every month.